guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Itohan Douglas gets justice. Presiding Magistrate V.E. Oyepe, after listening to the submissions of counsel, granted the defendant Irabo Isaac bail in the sum of 150,000 naira and two shorties who must be blood relatives, resident and own landed property in Benin City and must be civil servants. The case was adjourned to the 29th of November 2023. Meanwhile, police sources revealed that the two other suspects involved in the case, who are now at large, identified as Ogogo Irabo alias Ajebo and Semi Osewike Ijaboya alias Atiti, were earlier invited by the police over the case, just as it was gathered that efforts are being made by the security agents to bring them to justice. Oliver Ijobe, EBS News.
One look this video where they send for me, so one look
in Nigeria that is using the name of the palace to fraud money like God, and it's mostly before and without experiment. They will not fear the secretary, my baby, no, you are the son of the soil, we apologize. Wow! And mostly, the next century is still remain enemy of the palace. When of poor, and motion of poor, who were poor, in a more than one were poor, and why they were lonely. When was it below my passing over? Oh, I know. When he is below, I'm not in the woman, down by the Basha, with one hour to get the man, nothing but the woman who was settled. Take life. That every man is one. Every man is happy. Every day in America. What's the sort of long one? I'm not going to pay them. What's the master in America? Who were looking at me? Even if one don't ask your hand, you will get. No, when they are here for you, and be out of the go. When you are there, one will go for the best life. You realize that the one who only do know well, I don't know if you will not be alone, or what you will do.
yeah. Make una share the video. Make una share my country people. God will bless all of una. You know this video when I dey play now, they plan because of reason. I know the plan, I know they do saga. I know they do saga. I know they play the video because of reasons. You know, see this life what they so. This life what they so. Our Benin parable say, I hear a man of here. I see say that they play many of my video after I don't see this video. when I just see this video. Wait till I just talk the first time. I said I just boss sleep with you, and I get the proof everything. After I just see this video, when I come, they ask question. Itohan Douglas, you not sleep with a Ajabo. Why you go to pay us for her? You not sleep for her. After you go to buy big phone of 2,400 for her. Where you not buy for your brother. For them, your brothers did for them. You know if you buy phone of 800 for them, they buy phone of 2,100 for woman, for man. Do the BS for her. Now me go the all the video when I come play for back. Now they come there say fine, no problem. Till we will get there. Make it to Douglas, no worry. If I anytime when I go house, nobody will come catch me for house. They not come catch me for house. Now from airport, now I go hand over myself to police. When I play the video finish, when I play the go, just when I plan finish.
Yeah.
Donosagie. Now wow, they need to go down here.
Okay.
No plan again.
In Nigeria, that is using the name of the palace to fraud money like God, and it's mostly people in the outside. Very bad. Also, the ministry and the secretary married the money where you are the son of the soil, we apologize. Wow. And the next century is still remain enemy of the palace. Okay,
go on there.
In America, what's the sort of normal what's the normal city in America? Where? Who were walking on even if one dollar say I need to no let me out here for the Gambia with the Gambia. One will go invest life. The way I said, only to do well, I don't feel we don't be all the king. And after I got in a shower. If we don't win, that's the record. We are going to go with me. If we don't like it, we're talking about the way other people go near where the young will be. Okay. I'm so old, I'm not our life. And we are not some of them without all our own. Then I don't know why I first time double my nigga was small and okay. Go for this 61 years. No, we are going to the kind of fire. In the side of the hotel. The side or the Democrat hotel. In Basia, supported them saying, go for their money, but no one, we know, or my money, or my peer, or one, we know. Even now, well, this society, when I go to me, when I go to the when you want to the foundation, Maka, when you want to the foundation class of the way we go on there, we say you are okay.
Okay, more come on there. The video when I come play, when I first play the video first. The video when I want to play, when I first plan first. When I first plan first.
What's the name? Koyo.
A network in a network in a network.
Okay, okay.
Koyo.
Koyo. You will make a name after when you put Vano. My local boy or women work. But when you must see where you are. And how when you put where young one or where you live.
If we do not go in, I don't go plan past there. This is some of the evidence I want to hold when I'm going. Some the evidence it will play when I get. You know, say, Mwawe, no nyawe, nyazo, bona mwawe. Maybe quick on here. If people of this life say they're clever, me in it treat we no go school, I clever pass all of them. My people, this is Itohan Douglas. Una know the lie we go put for my head for Nigeria. I say I go thief for Fanny Joe. I jabot Fanny Joe. I did hear say some people they talk on yesterday now. Say no be that one I talk. Say no say we thief. One have play the record before I start. I never know the person where they say plan more. I'll go find the video. I'll find the video where I can play this one for them. As he say, now lie they put for us, say they don't talk say we thief. Now thief they go tell us, they don't tell us say we mean they tell they say they sleep with each other. So now the case now we want to go judge for Nigeria. Now this case we want to go judge for Nigeria. They know the judge adultery for court. They know the judge adultery for court. So now this case me no say it to Douglas. All of una know say na because of this one. Now this one go tell the government of Nigeria say I can't thief for Nigeria. If you go the form of no allegation, now how many allegation one court talk say how many times I go thief for Nigeria? Where one court talk now? You know deal, my people. Make una share the video, make it go viral. Move one play the video for now.
Mr. Irabo Isaac, who was arraigned before Magistrate V.E. Oyepe in the Akadelo Magisterial District on a 4-count charge, is alleged with others now at large for between the year 2019 and 2023 at number 1 Market Square, Itohan community in Benin City, conspired among themselves to commit felony to wit, stealing, and thereby committed an offense contrary to section 412 of the criminal law of Edo State 2022. The charges also include criminal damage of property of one Itohan Douglas, and thereby committed an offense contrary to section 413 of the criminal law of Edo State 2022, as well as altering the structure of a building in an unsuitable manner without a consent, and thereby committed an offense contrary to section 345 and punishable under section 353 of the criminal law of Edo State 2022. When the charges were read to the defendant, Irabo Isaac, pleaded not guilty. The prosecuting counsel N.A. Upebo Esquire was represented in court by Obey Musa Esquire, called for the diligent prosecution of the defendant towards ensuring that the nominal complainant, Itohan Douglas, gets justice. Presiding Magistrate V.E. Oyepe, after listening to the submissions of counsel, granted the defendant Irabo Isaac bail in the sum of 150,000 naira and 2 shorties who must be blood relatives, resident and own landed property in Benin City and must be civil servants. The case was adjourned to the 29th of November 2023. Meanwhile, police sources revealed that there are 2 other suspects involved in the case who are now at large, identified as Ogogo Irabo alias Ajebo and Semi Osemike Idaboya alias Atiti were earlier invited by the police over the case, just as it was gathered that efforts are being made by the security agents to bring them to justice. Oliver Ijobe, EBS News.
Unayera, if unayera muna say yes so. Itohan Douglas, na they talk, na EBS, na carry me go. He say me call chief at the boy orphanage home. Now this case, na me want follow and judge when I reach house. Adultery, they know they judge them for court. Even though they judge them for court, I get my enough proof. No kuna no worry. I get no my enough proof. As I they do video where they cut am. Now so they do video where me see they cut am.
Social media president na here. Me no gwayam. If I were winner, we want a lot. Oh, when I question as well, the national as well.
My people, una good evening. I could very much move to where we know you gele. Yeah. Security agent, make una not worry. They say we could bring us to justice. Security agent, if I dey call house, no una go find me, na me go find una. Now me go find una security agent, make una arrest me. Then the arrest person, they go bail and come out. They will start the case. Security agent, Oliver Ijobe. The money when I want claim for on head, damages, we will don't enter this case. Me never know whether we get case now, but me don't get the one way they think they find me. I see am for inside Facebook, say they find me, say I go thief for Nigeria. So they say na Itohan Douglas. He say me go to for Jebo orphanage home. Make una no worry. I hear say they talk yesterday. Say he not be say he not talk say with thief. Now I say I can't play this one for them. Now I say I can't play this one for them. Now I not go too take for this video. I want you to play this one for them. We'll go back again as we take starting just now. I don't want to talk this evening. I don't want to talk this evening. Unayera?
Ayera. Okay.
Itohan Douglas. I got say cut in there. I got me Nigeru Mogui. Oh, when I don't work to pay record in a good way. Or we no me obo we ni mebe mi. Or we no me obo we ni mebe mi ni me na so magbon. Ze wo bi edo ni me hin. O bi ezo sese. O bi edo normal na mo Bible ria. No bege mata ru le do ta. When I got police who me here. When I got police who me here to Douglas. When I got police who me here. we na ga police who me here no dem matter ni do ta magbon ni ye pe nu ni ye pe nu ni ye pe nu
Ayo. Okay. Okay.
Leonie. Una would do sagi bu no di hotel malaki do no sagi o kan no ro na do pe record bu e awo se mi ya uwete amuya warrior of which me to me we to wete amuya warrior o mata magbon enu ye police ku ma buya ba awo enu ye police ku ma hian ba ye police ku ajebo hian ba ma ka magbon eya ga evele do wa maka woge do aka bi court amaka woge do aka bi court we ya say no mu gbe yi gan ro eri ya na wo kan ise o kan ga yi Nigeria o te ya bi court Itohan Douglas ekwegamu we wa say court ekwegamu we to start with weze ezojino we na wo kan ya say ya fefefe o kan is a court o katale yani we no to do amu wari ai Itohan Douglas ezeze jobo wa ajebo we o kan ga agwe ya wula dagbeyan wule dagbeyan egene yana agbina bi Germany we na ye police mu ere o ha jebo we ma tenire we ma ye nire we ye police mu ra e carry talent the video when da je were we da je were ogogo dan iya wasena ya o atule kwa edemu ne ya amegbinu na ya biye ne ya amegbinu na we na ho ya amegbinu ari nwina ede egbe mu gbe ari nwina edemu ne nia iwege ni hallelujah talawa so na iya edi mofi oladian we no de odoka wo ma yepo mamu maji e na we ndo pe record na nu osun afinu were ne o ene we ezo jiru wa mu yo ohun ni aya anwin ni wa be cut wo ya mi wa go yo edi mo fi no pe we yo osun afinu were ni na we amamu oji amamu ezi amamu oji uwe wa disgrace egbu we keka iya we ila o de do kama me ya we aven mi wa no we ya zone but imagine them at on the formality me no do come I them at an do you know but me did them again no we was on ania the record na we look ben when down you see o wa isi ayin isi awo kin mi ya na sun o ku kedo mo ku no ro wa very oni ono gbe record igwe umanu temata magbon Itohan Douglas umanu temata magbon iya oku o si owan ya ka mi pe no bo oku o si owan ya owo no ya oku o si owan uwewe matana tok pe kekan talk bekeka mata no reme almost to lage uno aye we upenu mai de wa bere fun Maria respect da fun ya pe pa ku wo wale bayi una ga de ticket re ya le lo pe ya we kabudu mo ku wela wala we na go wala to Douglas mo ku wela wa awe pe anu wa vie yo wa na se ki gu wa gbon awe pe anu wa ya pa mu ya le ba na ni wa pa mu ya le ba na ni yen de mu ebi ya kin atalo ya da atalo ya pe yi na wa se la si gbe de ba gwa ya gbajebo benu te mu mo ri ni we ni agbajebo ni agbe ni gbe o ara ro do Domo wa to baba o dawo je baba imi message do pe gun me mi o ene awe wo me mi o ene oh man ya yone baba imi message we me la video na we the cause of call you ene okay yone oh idiri ya ti we gbe ni round up ya ti we gbe ya ti we gbe ra me ni round up so what guy wo ya de gbeta Iga nyoru. When kana wuji ye Masa kana wuji ye eri oji wa gbon. Because original to go kana wuji ye whenever you baba. Me wokenu dadi. We kwati me no there. And I will no problem. Ukwe ke Nigeria ti wo. O we ni zigbe na se court ne. Ni the world patalo. When in origbe, e ma we ezoni la court in ezoni won. Mo asan na. Aga la court in ezoni won. Yo si in origbe. O zigbe no ge ni awo. Edaja buyo yin na mai. Ewezigbe. Yes, a book. Okay, man, but later I finish that you about. Okay. My people are good with God bless all of you around the glue. It be like I go leave this video for here because I get call from Nigeria now. I want to attend to call when I get from Nigeria. Maybe tomorrow we'll come back. All my fans around the glue, all the people will know me as a good Peking, make una not worry. If I dey go Nigeria, I not go ask anybody money. But if I short of money, we don't start to do the court matter. Maybe if I say court, say help me. If I don't want to say help me, people go dey, we go say help me. But anyway, they say now vomit. Now I say me they see the vomit when they vomit. You know say truth, no they quit the review. Now only lie, now they review quit lie. Now they quit the see. You know say woman for this life we will do so. More leave that place. Yes, my people. If you do where I will not hear war. Tomato glass. Now buy upo. Mele ni wetalo. My bed the moving up where you na. If we can where ya say. Where maka mu when ya where Itohan Douglas maka me we have you one. I be been at time me do gin do tama me o. Me do gin do tama me. Cause I told that phone. Ozeti eti omo igbe fun yon le. We ni areba wa kan ven mi wa ni no water. No water. I will pale ruwe. E tell mari pale ra tell. Una se ti de phone 1000 2100 mu bia. Uma de tell mu yo pale ra. Any re nana. I want to go inside the call. We come from Nigeria. Make una no verse. When I help me share the video. Now just little bit. Tomorrow I can't do the video again. This call when they come from Nigeria, I want to attend them so that I'll quit sleep one for go work tomorrow morning. So we are waiting for the day of the court. Itohan Douglas. We must see the Nusha me webo. Now I do Nusha in Nigeria. Oh, we did not have a open up. Even nobody like how would you can have a mulele be a court in a webo. Even mulele where egg obvious egg when I be was a court in here. It was why you know gone in here to a Douglas a petrol when no go social media be no gonna go mamu we video when we have me ari BS. Even me wa je bok be would only ba where or I would only wear. Well, in what the movie our video anyway, no that the movie also like do our video. But I ban wa mamu oji igele o memegele no memegele menwa. Ye may ya send the ye phone e ban no down yo e wo we mamu maji. He said it allo why happen we are you know what happen we are no